guys! Welcome back to a new video! Okay, today's video, you guys, is going to be another food test or taste test ng autumn meal ni McDonald's. Hello, McDonald's, sponsor me. If you guys are interested to know what is inside the autumn meal for this year, 2019, keep on watching. And of course, if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Alice. I make a lot of vlogs, mukbangs, food reviews, taste tests, and any other lifestyle related videos. So if you're into that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so y'all be informed of new videos that your girl uploads. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get it started. Okay guys, hindi na tayo magpapaligay-ligay pa. Ito yung autumn meal. So autumn meal is actually yung parang set meal na dun sa Flavors of Japan ni McDonald's. So if you guys didn't know, they actually had this before and they brought it back due to popular demand. Okay, so ano nga ba ang laman ng autumn? At syempre, namatay na ako ng camera. Duh. Okay, so ano nga bang laman nitong autumn meal? So lalabas ko muna yung nasa loob. Syempre, mainit guys, hindi ako nag-on ng electric fan. Ay, kakaiba yung straw dun sa drinks ha. Mamaya tayo mag-uusap tungkol dyan. It has regular twister fries. Isa na ilalabas ko kasi dalawa siya. And then it comes with one of each burger. So ano nga ba yung burger sa autumn meal? They have ebi tempura and then samurai teriyaki. Ayan, nakapangalan na rin naman siya. Hindi masyado maayos yung pagkakapak ni McDo. Nagmamadali ata sila. And then, ebi, tempura. So, titikman ko to isa-isa. And I'll tell you ano yung mas gusto ko sa dalawa. Pero bago natin simulan sa burgers, doon muna tayo sa fries. Ayan. Twister fries, nagbabalik. Parang feeling ko ang onti ng twister fries na regular. I really do like twister fries compared to, I love the regular fries. Okay, don't hate me. It's just that this has more flavor. I don't know. Ang sarap. You can actually get this na BFF size, yung mas malaki, for $149. Worth it. So this comes with a Fuji apple freeze. Medyo hindi siya ganun ka-freeze. Kasi parang I asked them na pwede ba? And then ibang klase rin yung straw. May something sa ilalim eh. Titikman ko muna yung drinks bago yung food. Yung fries, oh my god, I love the fries. Wait lang. Are you sure this is for autumn? Ay, masarap tanongin si McDo eh. Are you sure this is for autumn, McDo? Ang sarap. Some people might think this is too sweet. For me, ando siya sa borderline na sobrang tamis, pero sakto lang. Gusto ko siya. To be honest, I do like this one. So, we're gonna start first with the ebi burger. If you guys do not know, ebi means shrimp. So if you have shrimp allergies, this is not going to be good for you. This is what the burger looks like. Natatakot ako kasi dito si Nico. Basta may pagkain involved, parang feeling ko gustong-gusto niya ring makikain. Hindi pwede na. This comes in a black and white sesame bun. Mukha siyang chicken fillet, to be honest. So, yung nanay ko nakatingin na sa akin, parang, hoy, bilisan mo dyan. Gusto ko na kumain. Hi ka, ma!
Hi. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you kanina.
Thank you, tumakdo.
Okay. Ay, hindi pala. May drinks pala. O, ma, ito yung drinks mo. Yan, bigay ko muna yung drinks ni mama. Oh, expectorant. Bibigyan siya. Tatry ko na siya.
Strawberry.
Fuji apple! This really has shrimp inside. Ayokong tanggalin kasi baka magalit yung nanay ko, baka hindi ko siya magustuhan. Kasi nga, tanggalin natin. Ayan. This tastes like a chicken burger patty with a shrimp instead. It's okay. The sauce is actually really good. Pero para sa akin, hindi ko siya bet. Sorry ah. Sa mga may gusto nito, hindi ko siya bet. Kasi parang hindi ako masyado mahilig sa shrimp na ginagawang burger. Hindi ko siya masyadong bet. So, totoo lang. Kasi ako yung tipo ng taong I prefer meat patties. Like, if I want shrimp, I'm gonna eat shrimp. Not in this form. It's really tasty. The sauce is amazing. It's just not my thing. Now we're gonna go to the teriyaki samurai burger. Ayan. Ay, makalat siya. This one's messier than the first one. Ayan o. Talagang may teriyaki sauce siya, ma'am. Okay. Hindi ko na siya may lalabas kasi sobrang soggy ng itsura. Again, with the burger with the black and white sesame bun, it both have some lettuce sauce. This one has teriyaki sauce and this one has a meat burger patty. So let's see what it tastes like. This one I do like because of teriyaki sauce. It's a bit sweet na medyo may pagka-soury, which is something I do like kasi gusto ko medyo may dimension yung flavors na kinakain ko. One thing I'm very concerned about this is that may umay factor. Pero I think with the size of the burger, it's not very complicated. The lettuce actually brings a good crunch and it cuts the taste, the acidity, kumbaga. It cuts the sweetness because of the lettuce. This one I do like. The only downside to this is that it's quite messy to eat. And parang mabibitin ka. This my thoughts. Pero okay lang. Parang para sa akin, this is quite nice. I prefer this one. The only downside nga lang is it's messy. I mean, kailangan mo talaga nung wrapper para makain siya kasi, hello, teriyaki sauce all over the place. So, what do I think about the autumn meal from McDonald's? I actually really think it's good. This is my first time to try it. I've actually tried before. Pero yung ebi lang yung na-try ko dati. This one, I do like this one, the teriyaki samurai burger. It's really nice. For $1.99, you get a good amount of food for yourself. If you want to upgrade the fries, you will have to upgrade it to the BFF size, which is medyo mas malaki. But overall, it's really nice. So, what do you think about the McDonald's autumn meal? Do you like it? Do you not like it? What do you like or hate about it? Go to the comment section, guys. Also, don't forget to go to the comment section. Let me know what you would like to see next on my channel in terms of like food reviews and stuff like that. Marami po akong in store sa inyong lahat. So, I hope you guys, support me and, we help each other out. Okay. So with that being said, I do have to go now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my social networking accounts, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And your girl has to go now. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye! Mwah.